Okay, reference number 1194. Good day to you. Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Elvie Baliget Marcelo. I'm 32 years old and,
Are you single or married?
and I'm married already.
How many children do you have?
I have two daughters.
How old are them?
The eldest is 15 years old and the youngest is 13.
Okay, if ever we hired you as domestic helper in Hong Kong, who will take care of your two children?
Um, my mother will take care of my two daughters.
Okay, where is your husband?
And my ano,
Your husband still with you?
yes,
Living with you?
yes.
So does he support you for applying in abroad?
Ma'am?
Does he support you for applying in abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the work of your husband?
Tricycle driver.
Okay. So, how about your education? What did you finish?
High school graduates, ma'am.
Okay, your religion.
Catholic.
Do you have experience in abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
For how many years?
1 year.
In Saudi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for 1 year and
10 months today.
why? What is the reason? Why so?
The reason is my employer told me that she has no work already and they have no money
To pay your
to pay
salary.
salary. Yes.
Okay. So, how about in Philippines? Do you have local experience also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in Saudi, can you please tell us your main duties before?
I clean the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and take care of babies.
Okay, if you were to ask, what among the three family members do you want to belong? Or do you want to serve? A family with newly born, a family with elderly, or a family with children? If you were to ask, what family do you want to belong or do you want to serve? A family with newly born, a family with children, or a family with elderly?
Anything, ma'am.
All is okay.
Yes,
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you know how to take care of children?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the children is naughty?
Naughty? I...
Yes.
In Tagalog.
No English.
I told them that I told her the right manners.
Okay. So how about newly born? How will you take care of a newly born baby?
Um,
Do you know how to make a milk formula?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I
So
follow the procedures of the...
come from your employer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So all job order is okay with you,
Yes, ma'am.
even taking care of elderly.
Yes.
How about, are you afraid of the dog?
Ma'am?
Are you afraid of the dog?
No.
How about the cat?
No.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong instead of going back to Saudi?
To get more highly salary.
Okay, very good. So do you agree that the holiday must set by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
How about, do you promise to finish your contract for 2 years? Do you promise to finish
Yes,
your contract for
ma'am,
2 years
yes,
and
ma'am.
not to ask advance salary for future, madam and sir?
Yes, ma'am.
How does your employer knows that you're a good domestic helper?
Ma'am?
How does your employer knows that you're a good domestic helper? Or any commitment for future employer or short message for mom and sir?
I promise to my employer that I have a good person. I am a hardworking person, trusting people, and caring and loving person.
Okay, thank you very much and see you in Hong Kong.